Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best sprinkler for large lawns. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best sprinkler for large lawns and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Lawn Sprinkler Aqua Oscillating Sprinkler. Undoubtedly one of the best watering systems money can buy, an oscillating lawn sprinkler. The Aqua Oscillating Sprinkler receives high accolades for its low-cost, robust design, and simplicity of usage. It has a water connection that won't leak as well as a sturdy foundation made of alloy steel. The 3,600 square feet can be covered by the clog-proof spray nozzles. Customers on Amazon adore how the spray range can be adjusted, making it suitable for nearly any size. Overall, it is fairly substantial compared to other sprinklers and is nicely coated to avoid rust. Because of its durability, it is incredibly simple to position almost anywhere without it flopping around. The spray has a big range, covers a reasonable amount of ground, and is easily adjustable. Pros: affordable cost. Metallic building, not easily tips over. Variable spray. Clean out tool included to prevent clogged nozzles. Cons: a little heavy. Number 2. Large Yards Orbit Heavy-Duty Brass Lawn Sprinkler. The tripod-style base of the Orbit Heavy-Duty Lawn Sprinkler allows for height adjustments of up to 40 inches while providing both partial and full circle coverage. It has a full orbit spray and can cover more than 6,000 square feet, making it perfect for large lawns. It is a more affordable alternative to an in-ground watering system, according to Amazon customers. Verified Amazon reviewer claims that the compact tripods are tough and simple to adjust. The spray heads are of outstanding quality and can simply be adjusted to cover any portion of a circle within a 100-foot radius. Pros: adjustable. Finish in brass. Robust design. Sprays up to 90 feet in diameter, making vast lawns its optimum application. Affordable cost. Cons: because each leg's bottom has a rubber cover, some reviewers found it to tip over easily. Number 3. Signature Garden 3-Arm Water Sprinkler. The Signature Garden Water Sprinkler is ideal for use in yards that are between 3,000 and 3,600 square feet in size, since it can cover such a wide area. It has a range of motion of 360 degrees, 3 rotating arms, and a total of 12 spray nozzles that are incorporated into the device. It is one of the sprinklers that has the simplest installation process. You just need to hook up a hose and you'll be set to go. Use it to maintain your lawn on a daily basis or have some fun with the kids during the summer. It more than meets the requirements for your garden. Pros: a design with 3 arms provides extensive coverage. Spray that is gentle. 360-degree rotation. Constructed using long-lasting ABS plastic that does not rust or corrode. The steady foundation will not topple over while it is in use. Cons: sprays over a significant distance, making it less than ideal for use on smaller lawns. Number 4. Melnor Above Ground Sprinkler System Kit. The Melnor Above Ground Sprinkler System Kit is a smart and efficient lawn watering system for a small area. 3 spike sprinklers with easy-to-stick into the ground connections to water above ground are part of this watering system. You can place them however closely or widely apart you choose. They lie low to the ground and may cover up to 1,800 square feet, making them perfect for maintaining the appearance of small grassy areas, flower beds, and gardens. For a lawn sprinkler system you don't have to worry about, combine it with a water timer. Pros: spans 1,800 square feet. Its small size makes it almost undetectable. A trio of spike sprinklers, controllable spray flow, and angle. 2 15-foot hose connectors are included. Cons: given that each sprinkler's hose attachments must be connected to the primary water system, assembly may take longer. Number 5. Orbit Stainless Steel Ornamental Steel Sprinkler. The Orbit Ornamental Sprinkler not only irrigates your garden or landscape, but it also serves as an ornamental piece of outdoor decor that adds to the aesthetic value of your property. Because it can cover up to 30 feet in a circle and rotates in different directions, it may provide comprehensive coverage over a smaller area. This makes it an excellent tool for landscaping, small gardens, or edging. Decorative finish, among other advantages. 3 designs offered. Emitted in a number of different directions. Strong foundation. Cons: because it can only water an area that is 700 square feet, the sprinkler is ideal for use on smaller lawns. The copper-colored stainless steel coating, according to the findings of some reviewers, scratches off with time. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.